Hey everyone, this is a quick first look at the Boosted Board backpack, which I just got in today. Thanks to Boosted for sending this out so quick. So this is it here. My initial impressions of it are that it's very well made. It's actually a really cool design. And it holds the Boosted Board really well, which I'll show you in this video. The quality of it and the design of it seems really good. It's got YKK zippers. It seems really sturdy in terms of the reinforcements that it has to really carry the Boosted Board well. It's a little bit heavy though, so as an everyday bag, unless you're traveling and commuting with the Boosted Board, you may not want to use this. It's really primarily for the Boosted Board. But I'm really looking forward to having this because there's so many times where you go somewhere on your Boosted Board, but then you go into a store or a mall or like a grocery store or a farmer's market and you just want to walk around and not have to worry about where you're going to put the Boosted Board. Well, this enables you to actually carry the Boosted Board. So let me show you that part first, and then we'll look at some of the other parts of the bag. I'll go ahead and put the Boosted Board in here. And so the way you do that is you unzip the right part of it here, and this has a little magnet part here too that lifts open. And then you undo this little piece right here, and then we'll go get the Boosted Board. All right, so then the Boosted Board, so then there's like this little loop that goes on the tail part of the Boosted Board. So that goes in like that. And this bottom part underneath where the grip tape touches is sort of a rubber material, very strong. Doesn't seem like it's going to break or anything like that on the grip tape. Like the grip tape's not going to break it. Then you just take this bar and you secure the Boosted Board in like that, and then you're pretty much good to go. Then this can be closed back up, and then you line up the zipper here like this, zip that up, and now you're ready to go. I can take this and I can actually put this on my back now. You can kind of see here that the Boosted Board fits in really securely, and it kind of sticks out the top there like that. So yeah, I think it's a really cool design, but again, it's really optimized for the Boosted Board. So let me go ahead and take the Boosted Board out, and then we can look at the bag a little bit more in depth. So here you can get a better idea of this sort of rubber inside part here where the grip tape rests. It's, again, really sturdy. Just so you know, taking the Boosted Board in and out of this is not like an instant process. It does take, a minute or two. And especially like with this zipper here, to close this and put this back, you kind of have to line this up properly and make sure you get it right. It is a high quality zipper, but this takes, at first thing I noticed, it's a little fiddly at first to get that. But I think it'll be fast after you get the hang of it. All right, so let's look inside here. You've got an outside pocket here, which is fairly big, and then you've got a pocket on this side as well that's magnetic for your remote. Just opens up by pressing it. You can put your remote in there, which is nice. Got a magnetic flap. And then the main compartment you can open on the side, and as you can see here, it's got a lot of space in here to put stuff like jackets or whatever. And it's also got a laptop compartment here. This will fit a 15-inch laptop. It's padded as well. And I believe this comes out because this is Velcro. Let's see if this comes out or not. Or is this built in? Nope, the laptop compartment is completely built in, so it's not removable. But it does have a Velcro place here. You can put something else here like papers or a folder or something like that. You've got also, I don't know if you can see in here, you've got compartments for other little things too, like your battery charger for your Boosted Board and stuff like that would fit in these small little compartments inside here, and various straps and stuff like that. The top also opens as well into that same compartment. So the way that this works is this has like little magnetic things that you kind of slide out right here, magnetic fasteners. And then you can unzip the top and you can see in there. That's the main compartment in there as well. This is kind of cool, like if you're riding and you have like a poster or something that you want to transport, or something that's really tall, that is quite handy. Just the other day, I literally had a poster that I sold on eBay that I wanted to bring to FedEx. And I had no real easy way of doing it on the Boosted Board, but with this I can have the poster, sticking out here, which is kind of nice. And it's going to be a little hard to see in this video, but you can kind of see the label right there. It says hand wash only, volume 25 to 30 liters. Materials, the outer material is 600 denier polyester with polyurethane coating, so I think this thing is waterproof. The liner is 150 denier ripstop polyester with polyurethane coating. Rubberized fabric is something they call Hypalon. The padding is EVA foam, and the hardware is Fidlock, YKK, and Duraflex. And then on the bottom of the label, it's a little hard to see, but it says drop and go, designed with care by Boosted in California, manufactured in China. So when I tried this on, both with the Boosted board in it and with the Boosted board not in it, it was really quite comfortable because this back here has sort of a hard back to it. So it's not like caving in your back or anything. It's actually it feels pretty supportive, you know, and it supports the Boosted board quite well as well when you're wearing it. So it's not like it's hurting your back when you wear the Boosted board with it. And like this strap here is kind of nice. It's magnetic, so it just kind of pops in. You've got like the little Boosted logo right there. It also has the fastener where if you're wearing this and you want to fasten it to your chest for added stability like that, you can do that. The straps are adjustable in terms of you know, how long they are and all that. It's also got a really nice handle right here too, so you can just carry it like this, like when you know, go on the subway or whatever, you can carry it like this with the Boosted board in there. This seems like it's, you know, pretty strong and sturdy. I love the color of it. I'm glad that it's not like a stark black. It's got a nice charcoal gray color to it, which to me looks better than black. It is a little bit expensive at $239 plus shipping and tax if you're in California, but you know, you compare it to other quality backpacks and it's about right. I was recently pricing good quality camera backpacks, and I found one by Peak Design that's like $259. So, well, you know, when you compare it to something like that, that's purpose designed, you know, the price doesn't seem quite that expensive. Certainly if you're comparing it to like a $59 or $50 Dakeen backpack or something, yeah, this is gonna seem expensive, but I think for what you're getting here, you know, it's kind of worth it. So I'll probably do more of an in-depth review of this as I have a chance to use it more in the next month or two. But yeah, I did want to do a first look video. Also, something I just noticed is the Boosted logo here is also reflective as well. Let me get a flashlight and we can see how that reflects. All right, so I got all the lights off and then I got my flashlight. So yeah, you can see how that reflects there. I don't know if you can see in the video. That reflects and that reflects right there too a little bit as well. But yeah, it's gonna be hard to see, but when a car light shines on it directly, that looks very bright, and as does the logo there as well. Also the bottom here, I forgot to mention the bottom here is kind of reinforced too. It's got sort of a hard piece under here as well. So this has been my first look of the Boosted board backpack. I am looking forward to using this, and I think it'll work really well to, you know, take the Boosted board places. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. See you in my next video.